part of your success has been attracting big brands like Kicker,
obviously,
Lucas Oil, Lithium. So how do you attract brands like Kicker? How do you do that?
Personally?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I mean, obviously, my relationship with Kicker is a little different. We talked about that earlier
That's true.
too, right?
Yeah, it goes way back.
But let's go back to like GM, or let's go back to even Sky High Car Audio.
Yeah.
John, he sees my passion, and he knows, like, on a sales side, I'm selling him my passion and I'm selling him my dream.
Sure.
And not just mine, but my entire staff, my family. You know, I'm selling them with what the concept is, and this is what we're going to do, and this is where we're going to put it together. And obviously, by the time we got into major sponsorship, like you guys and John, by the time we got to that, we had a resume. So
Yes.
it wasn't a first annual event. On our first annual event, I had to sell with passion. It was like, look, we're going to do this show. I'm going to do this with marketing. I'm working with these people. You have to go in and you have to stick your chest out and be proud. You have to promote your garage sale. Does that make sense? You know,
we're back to the garage sale.
Right. You got to have signs. You got to have banners. You have to do everything that you can do to draw people in, because that's what Kicker or any sponsor, they want impressions. They want to know that their marketing money is well spent with you, and that they're comfortable with the person that they're giving it to.
Right.
So when I come to you guys and I'm like, hey, it's going to be XYZ amount of money this year, and you guys go, great, man, no problem.
Yes.
I mean, we haven't even had to negotiate. I just call and say, hey, Rambo, it's like, whatever, let's go. And every sponsor down, all the way down our list. I mean, we have multiple sponsors. If you go on our website, you click sponsors and vendors, and you'll see, and it's major brands, and everybody is behind us because they know our dream and they know our passion. They feel that, and once they come to the event, they know, they're like, oh, this is the real thing. This is for real.
A single word to sum up what Donnie's saying is relationship.
Right.
You're describing the relationship that you have with Kicker,
Correct.
Sky High, and various others.
Correct.
And that starts with you as a person, you as a man.
Right.
You're, like you said, you're selling yourself, but it's even more than just selling, because we are buying Donnie.
Correct.
And Slamology, but Donnie first.
Correct.
Because if we didn't believe in you, it wouldn't matter if it was Slamology.
Right.